All right, everyone, I have a proposition for you. So I'm going to be meeting up with Mad Electrician if you guys are familiar with him. Some of you are, some of you may not be. I didn't know he also has a YouTube channel. I've seen him around in my comments a few times. I didn't know what his channel is about or anything. He messaged me and probably going to meet up here soon. He is a union apprentice and he only lives probably like 10 miles, 20 minutes away from me or something like that. So super close, just across the river in Oregon. So anyways, I'm going to be joining his local union here shortly. But anyways, we're probably going to meet up. So if you guys got any questions like union versus non-union, if you guys got any ideas that you want us to answer or make a video about, let me know in the comment section below. But this is we can do like a Q&A video, like basically just leave a comment and we can answer that, or we can go deeper into it with like a video, like union versus non-union. Some ideas that I already have off the top of my head, which are the union versus non-union apprenticeship wages, like which one makes you more money faster, which one is like more worth it, like requirements to join the union, apprenticeship versus non-union. We're probably going to go over some of that stuff. So if you got anything you want us to go over, anything union versus non-union, let me know in the comments below. We'll go over it. We'll try to get to all of them, hopefully, as long as it's not like a whole ton of comments. Anyways, I'm excited about it. Excited to meet him and hang out. So like I said, drop a comment below and that should do it. Thanks guys so much for all the support over the last 4 or 5 days. Channel's blown up. Thank you so much. And also don't forget to check out Mad Electrician's channel. He is featured on my page under channels, I believe. So go ahead and check him out. Hit subscribe on his channel. He's a great guy, knowledgeable, and he's going through his union apprenticeship, so you can follow along on his journey for tips and tricks. But he also has a playlist which describes how to get into the union apprenticeship, going over the aptitude test, which I never had to do. Also the union interview and like the IBW boot camp or whatever. So if you got any questions about the union, you can go check him out. He's like the union version of me on YouTube. He doesn't do like daily videos and stuff like that, but he goes over video topics to help anyone trying to get into the union apprenticeship and stuff like that, and also helpful tips. So he's an awesome guy. Go check him out. I've been texting him over the last week, and we've been becoming good friends and stuff like that. So we'll be hanging out soon, so stay tuned for that. If you enjoyed, make sure to like. It would really help out the channel. Subscribe, see the videos coming up that I got planned, and as I transfer into the union, don't forget to check out the description below and hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams. Thanks guys so much. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out.